Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Bist and today I will explain my AI content generator. So, here is the AI content generator, and it is here I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML for giving the basic structure to the web page, and CSS for styling, and JavaScript for more interaction in the page. So, uh, here is the basic code of HTML, and then we'll directly move to JavaScript because it contains the main logic of the project. JavaScript. JavaScript is responsible for making the application interactive and connecting it with AI and API. AI API. Firstly, I have defined the AI URL. mm, AI URL, and this is the endpoint where the request is sent to the server, and it includes an API key for authentication, which I have secured in another file for more security. And next, I select all cards using query selector all, and this allows me to apply the same logic for all of the four cards which are visible here. And then I have loop through each card using for each loop and uh, also get the index value, which help me to identify which card is being used. Inside each card, I select three elements: the button, uh, the input field, and the result area. This ensures that each card work independently. After that, I have used a click event to the button. This means whenever the user clicks the generate button, a function runs. I use async keyword here because it will make an API call over here, and then I get use user input using input dot value, and remove extra spaces using trim. And next, we will come to the main part, creating a prompt. So, based on the card, index modify the prompt. For example, if summarize code, I add a summarizing instruction before the text. After that, I clear input and output to the other cards. This keeps the interface clean and avoids confusion. And then I have shown a loading message like generating and disable button, so it cannot click it multiple user cannot click it multiple times. Now the comes we come to the API call. I use fetch function with a post request. I send the prompt in JSON format to the AI model. The AI processes the request and sends back a response. Once I receive the response, it will the model will convert it to JSON format to the AI model. Then I have extracted the actual AI generated text from the response. The response structure is nested, and so I use optional chaining to safely access the data. Uh, Finally, I display the result in the output box, and I also handle network errors using a try catch block and re-enable the button after the process is completed. So overall, the flow is user enters the input and clicks the button, and JavaScript processes the input, sends it to the AI, and processes the input, sends it to the AI, receives an input, receives a response, and display it on the screen. Thank you. This is my AI content generator.